So finally he got the bear and he went near the bear and said, "Hello, brother bear, can I be your friend? Since these many years I'm alone. I don't have anyone. I don't know where I should go. Can I be with you? It seems that you're so brave and nobody is afraid." So the bear will be thinking, "Okay, now you can be my friend. Nothing happens," he says. And again the same manner they'll be like roaming around, have some food, they had fun, and finally it turns to night and they both want to sleep. The bear is so tired and he's in deep sleep. Again the dog hears some noises around and he started barking. For a few more minutes he was barking. Then finally bear got angry and he shouts at the dog, "Dog, why are you shouting? Why are you irritating me? Let me sleep. If you're shouting and if any persons move around, they will come and kill us." So the dog thought, the bear is afraid of some people. So let me go away from. He's so scared of others. And the dog again moves, searching for someone else. Then he reached to a village. And he saw a person packing some things around onto his shoulder and he's moving. Then the dog went to the person, the man, and he waves his tail, okay, as a friendly move. Then the man thinks, "Oh, there's a dog. What the dog will do? I think it's so cute," and he touches on his head like this. Then he felt so happy. "Oh, this man is so great. I think he can be my friend." And the farmer, he moves away from there to his house. Slowly the dog follows him and went inside his courtyard. And he was having his dinner. The farmer was having his dinner. But the dog looks at him in a lovely way. And the farmer felt so pity for him, for the dog, and he gave one chapati for eating. Dog was so happy. He felt that, "Oh, he's the person. I can be here." Then again it was dark. Everyone was silent. All were sleeping. Even the farmer, the dog, always sleeping. After hearing some noise, the dog again started barking. "Whoa, whoa, whoa." Suddenly, the farmer wakes up and he thinks, "Oh, who is that? The dog is barking. It's okay. It's a dog. And I will be fine enough to sleep here alone. And no thieves or nobody can come here. So I'll be safe enough." And again the farmer goes to sleep. And finally the dog felt secure place at man. So here from this we can know man's best friend is the dog. And he was very happy to stay with the farmer for the rest of the years. And both were having fun. They were going around together. So I hope you loved this story. So now finally we'll go with the rhyme. Then later we'll revise one more time whatever we had done. Okay, let's go with a small craft also.